unique, especially in classics. And check this one out, 1957 Buick Century Convertible. Numbers matching, 364, V8 underneath the hood. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. This is actually a vehicle that Unique Classic Cars restored from about 2016 to 2017. Take a look at this chrome and bright work up front. The grille, headlight surrounds. Paint on it shows very well. It was actually painted at a place called John's Body Shop, Nicollet, Minnesota. Renowned for his quality of paint, restoration of cars. Been in business since the 70s, and it shows on this car. Paint shows very, very well. If you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Coy is 5-spoke wheels. Automatic transmission, power top, power windows, very nicely equipped. This car had approximately 77,000 miles on it when we restored it. It's just shy of 80 now, so basically 3,000 or less since the restoration. Look at how straight those panels are. They're the original panels to this car. We know the history of the car. It was actually in our area since new, within about an 80-mile radius. Just look at it from rear to front too. Of course, the bright work and the trim work down the side of it, also very nice shape. It's a beautiful two-tone black and white interior. Black vinyl top. We'll get around to the driver's side. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. Great sounding car. Put the top up at the end. Let's check that out too. First, I want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. We'll take a look at the chrome in the rear. Here's where the vehicle was sold new. That is still the original dealership insignia from when it was delivered from St. Paul Buick Company. We restored this. It was actually used as a display vehicle we had the Minneapolis Auto Show in 2018. A customer of ours purchased it there, drove it, enjoyed it for the last 4 years or so. Decided it's time for it to move on, somebody else to enjoy it. So here it is. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. As you can see, chrome, absolutely beautiful in the rear of this car also. There are air shocks on the rear of it, where the fuel fill is right here. I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of dark in there. There you go. Right there is the air nozzle, I guess, if you will, for the air shocks on the rear of it. Let's take a look down this driver's side, and again, look at how straight these panels are. And also you can see the condition of the paint. This one is a showstopper, no doubt about that. It will turn some heads. Wait till we start it up here. It run great sounding car too. If I remember right, Flowmaster's underneath. All right, let's take a look at this interior. Door panels, two-tone black and white to match the seats. Here you can see power windows. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see all the VIN tags, the cow tag or data tag. You can see carpeting in it like new. Seating surfaces all been redone. The bright work on the bottom of the seat. Of course, this is a Buick. You're going to turn the key to the on position, push the foot feet, and it's going to start. Did want to mention the speedometer is in op. Other than that, did have the gauges working. We've not had the radio working. We just left the stock radio in it for looks and appearance purposes. Top of the dash, nice shape. All right, so we'll go ahead and turn the key on and just push the foot feet. That's all you have to do to start it. It was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Oil pressure, amp meter, fuel gauge. Great looking dash. So nicely that door closes, how it fits. Body lines on this car, absolutely beautiful, and listen to it. And the stance. Stance turned out beautiful in this car. I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood and show you the engine bay. It's as nice as the rest of the car. Underside of the hood. Also painted nicely. And here it is. Again, original numbers matching 364. So we tried to keep engine bay looking very original, nothing crazy over the top. Nice, clean, and tidy, just because it was so nice before we restored it. And being the original engine. Sounds good and looks good. Great one to display at any of your local shows. Have some fun at your roll-ins, cruise-ins. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get this convertible top up. Again, it's a convertible power top, black vinyl. And if I remember right, it's also about like new. Let's get it up, check it out. And here it is with the top up. So again, power top, functions as it should. Nice tight fit of the windshield. Black vinyl. Rolled the side glass up too, so you can see that fits in there nicely. Free of rip stairs holes. I don't think the top's hardly been up on this car. Like new, done at the time of restoration, so it's only 4 or 5 years old. And to get an idea on the side glass on the passenger side here. And as you can see, power windows also function as they should. Actually work quite well, go up and down very easily. It's a beauty, folks. 1957 Buick Century convertible. UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1957 Buick Century. Very nice restoration job. A couple nods here and there. Just a little low. Beautiful car. Our turn signal indicator is working. Get a little bit of raindrops on the windshield. You may see that. Our wipers do work on this car, as does the blower motor. Comfortable big car. You don't see that many 57 Buicks, and this one is beautiful inside and out. One of those perfect road tripping cars. Corners well. Easy to steer. Great rumble from that exhaust. A little bit of play in the steering, not too excessive. Power windows. Such a beautiful car. You want to take a look at all the pictures and read more about this car, uniqueclassiccars.com.